How to delete reposts on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's begin. Launch TikTok app and make sure you sign into your account. For demo, let me repost a video. Simply select the share icon at bottom right on this video, and here you will see the repost icon. Tap repost and the video has already been reposted. To delete your repost, select the share icon again, and here select remove repost at bottom left corner. This is the way to delete your repost on TikTok. Also, if you have a lot of reposted video, you can go ahead and tap your profile icon at bottom right. From here, tap on the repost icon next to the locked icon. And these are all your reposted videos. Simply you need to open a particular video and then tap the share button again and tap remove repost. So in this way, you can easily manually delete all the reposts on TikTok as well. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.